Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a Mitsubishi Outlander. 69 reg, diamond cut alloys, in silver, keyless entry, keyless starting, privacy glass in the rear, reversing camera. It's one owner of the vehicle with full service history. Seven-seater version this is. When you lock it, the mirrors park. This button here is your locking, and when you unlock it, the mirrors come back out. Leather seats, side airbags, locking wheel nut, which is very important. Handbooks are here. Instruction manuals, obviously electric front windows. It has heated seats as well. You can see these two buttons here. Has a USB here. You can plug your devices into. Actually has two USBs there. Two USBs there. Isofix rear seat. These seats will fold down if you don't want them. Electronic tailgate. So these seats, if you don't want them, will fold down. You can recline them a little bit if you wish. This here is your luggage compartment cover. You have luggage in there, you want to store it away. To lock, shut the tail, you push that button there. Very clean car. 4 electric windows, all one touch, that's what the A means. Electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors, that switch there. Electronically adjustable driver's seat. 21,002 miles. This will obviously clean off this dirt. Start the vehicle, you push this button here, put your foot on the brake, push that button to start the vehicle. Automatic, obviously. Heated steering wheel, USB, pocket there to put your key. This is eco mode on and off. If you go into reverse, that's the camera. 360 camera and a reversing camera, which is quite a nice extra. Here you have a sunglasses holder, illuminated vanity mirror both sides, navigation, home, different settings you have there, media, phone, dual climate. See, here you have this pocket here, nice pocket, decent sized pocket there. That's a heated seats. This is your 4-wheel drive button here. Handbrake, auto hold. You can use these to drive tiptronically if you wish. These things here, one here, here. Auto lights, auto wipers as well. Turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.